The rising sun becomes my guide, a gentle breeze. I feel so free with nature's beauty by my side. The morning sun ascends the hill. With every step the world grows wide. I climb above and feel a chill with nature's beauty by my side. The air is pure, a sweet delight. My worries fade with every stride. Lost in the vast and endless light, with nature's beauty by my side.